Lead magnet funnel, the universal funnel that is suitable for almost any business. In this video I will tell you about a very simple but very cool sales funnel, the lead magnet funnel. Russell Brunson calls it lead squeeze funnel. This funnel is universal because it is suitable for almost any business. With its help you will be able to collect contacts of potential customers and start building relationships with them. Then you can regularly communicate with these people via email newsletter and make them various paid offers. So this is the tool that you should have if you are engaged in any kind of business or plan to engage in it. Hi, my name is Drival Dmitry. I am from Ukraine and I love internet marketing. I advise you to watch my videos because my English is not good, so I will try to explain complex things to you in simple words. And it will be easier for you to understand it. So let's start. Why is this funnel called the lead magnet funnel? Because its main element is a lead magnet. A lead magnet is a magnet that will attract leads, potential customers to you. A lead magnet is some very useful information product, check sheet, mini book, brochure, template, video, cheat sheet for your target audience. You will give it to potential customers for free in exchange for their contact information, email, and subscription to your email newsletter. A lead magnet should be simple, clear, and very valuable. Ideally, it should answer one of the pressing questions of your target audience or solve a pressing problem of your audience. The construction of the lead magnet funnel should be started with the creation of a lead magnet. The better the offer you create, the more likely people will give you their contacts and subscribe to your email newsletter. If your lead magnet is cool and provides real value to your audience, they will remember you, open your emails and buy from you. To create a cool lead magnet, you need to take some pressing problem of your target audience and make a small information product that will help solve this problem. Or take one or more pressing questions of your target audience and give answers to these questions in your lead magnet. You choose the format of the lead magnet yourself, depending on your topic and which format is more appropriate. You may get the wrong impression that the lead magnet funnel and the lead magnet itself is appropriate to create for an information business or a coaching business. In fact, you can make this funnel for almost any business. Because any business needs customers, and this funnel will help you collect contacts of potential customers. Then, through a regular email newsletter, you will be able to communicate with these potential customers and make them various paid offers. For example, if you are engaged in furniture, you can create a lead magnet in the form of a mini book, in which you will tell your potential customers how to choose the right furniture for their home, how to combine furniture by color, what material is better to use, how to save money, and then create a lead magnet funnel under this mini book which will take you contacts of potential customers. The fact is that most people are not ready to buy something immediately. Therefore, if you first give them something useful for free, they will remember you. And when they will be ready to buy, they are more likely to come to you. That is, no matter what business you are engaged in, you can create some useful information product for your audience. It will benefit people, show your subject matter expertise and build relationships with them. And it will help you, together with the funnel, to collect contacts of potential customers. By the way, in the near future I will record a separate video and tell you in more detail about the lead magnet. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my new videos. And now I will go to the lead magnet funnel. And I will tell you what it consists of, how it works and what you need to pay special attention to when creating it. The lead magnet funnel consists of two pages: subscription page Russell Brunson calls it lead squeeze funnel page, and thank you page. The subscription page is the first page of your funnel where you will offer your lead magnet in exchange for an email subscription. This page should be simple and short. Its main goal is to get interested people to give you their email. This page usually consists of header, subtitle, optional covers of your lead magnet, call to action, and email service subscription form. Here is the template of a subscription page. The header is the hook on this page. The more curiosity you can create with your header, the more likely people will give you their email. If people don't sign up, well, it's usually because of a bad lead magnet or because the headline is not very interesting. Little curiosity. In the subtitle, you should tell a short story which will support your offer, your lead magnet. If your lead magnet is strong enough, then you can do your page without a subtitle. If your lead magnet is complex and needs explanations, you can place a video on the subscription page instead of the cover of the lead magnet. In it, you will tell a story, explain the features and value of your lead magnet, and make a call to sign up. Now I will show you an example of my subscription page. When you click on the button "Click here to get instant access," the subscription form will open. Thank you page. After someone enters their email in the subscription form or to receive your lead magnet and confirms the subscription, he will be taken to the second page of your funnel, the thank you page. Here is the template of thank you page. On it you will thank the subscriber for subscribing and give a link to the lead magnet. In addition, on the thank you page you can direct your subscriber to your other sales funnels, if you have them, or sell him one of your paid products. Better if it will be cheap but very valuable. By the way, here is an example of a simple thank you page for my sales funnel. I also recommend that you supplement your funnel with one automatic email. In this letter you will tell the new subscriber a little about yourself and will once again give a link to the thank you page where he can get a lead magnet. This is just in case he accidentally closes the thank you page as soon as he gets to it right after confirming the subscription. You create an automatic letter as well as a subscription form in the email newsletter service and connect them together. How will your funnel work? You will direct interested people to the subscription page. There they will be offered your lead magnet in exchange for an email. The email will have to be entered in a special form for subscribing to the email newsletter service. As soon as a person enters his email, confirms the subscription in special email, and becomes your follower, he will be presented with your thank you page. On this page he will be able to download your lead magnet. Also, maybe he will see some profitable paid offer from you on this page and take advantage of it. In addition, your subscriber will receive an email with a link to the thank you page. He can open it at any time and download the lead magnet on the thank you page. What's so cool about this funnel? It is easy to create. For this you will need an email service and some service program or plugin that will allow you to create a very simple 2 pages for your funnel. By the way, those pages that I showed you as an example I created with the help of the Thrive Architect plugin. With its help you can very easily and simply create different pages for your funnels without knowing any programming languages. I will leave a link to a video with an overview of the plugin and a link to the site where you can buy it in the description of this video. And the lead magnet funnel is cool because with the help of this funnel you will be able to collect contacts of your potential customers. And then with the help of the email service You can contact your subscribers at any time and offer them something paid and earn money. And it will suit you no matter what kind of business you have. Isn't that cool? If you have any questions about the lead magnet funnel, write them in the comments. That's all I have for you today. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my new videos. I wish you a good day and good mood. Bye bye.